Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I have this. This is from Airhug, and it's a, I don't know, it's weird, it's written sideways, but it's a 2K webcam with 2 microphones and light. So we're going to give this thing a shot here and see how it works. I have my laptop right here. Well, I'm unable to open the box. There we go. Ah, there we go. Very good. Let's check this out. Box is empty, and here we go. We have a little instruction manual. We have just their business card. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. I guess that's how I'm going to hook this up to my computer. And then we have the little thing that lets you hook it up to, to snap it on top of the monitor or whatever. We have another wire here that is USB to USB-C, which I have USB-C. I have a MacBook. And then we have the device. So this is it. So this is everything. So I'll take off the little sticker. So this is what it looks like now. So let's see how we connect this up. It looks like it's going to slide into like the shoe from like my camera shoe stuff. Let's see. Slide in. Okay, what do I have? Does it this way? Ah, that way. Slid it in the wrong way. Okay, so there we go. So we can do it this way, or it looks like it gives us the ability to do it sideways if we want to do it this way, snap it onto something sideways or whatever. So let's check this out. Oh, that moves around a lot of different directions. Okay, so let's try to plug it into my laptop and see if it works. So here's that, and there. So now we are in. My laptop turned off. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the screen a little bit. Let me just move some of this stuff over so you don't have to see everything that's going on. Wait. Okay, so here we go. So it says allow accessory to connect. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'll show you anyway. And I'll say allow. So then when I'm here in my FaceTime, I can do video, and then I can choose Airhug 13. And now it's using this camera. Look at that. And I got light from it too. Ooh, I can change my colors of lights. You're not going to see those right now due to the fact that I have this light on. Let me turn this one off. Okay. So now this is what, this is me on the screen. Can you see me on the screen? Yeah, there you are. You see me on the screen there. So this is it. So now if I change the colors, that's off. There's the bluish light, I guess. Can you see that? And then the yellowish light. Cool. I don't know which one. I guess I like that one here just because it's the brightest. But very cool. So cool little camera there, and it is recording the sound, I guess, too. But let me show you how I can kind of put it up here on my monitor. You see, it'll just clip on like that, and then I can aim it. So very cool. So then it's over my other camera. But this one here is way better quality. Super cool. So this is the Airhug, and it is the 2K webcam. So good quality with the light and everything. So very cool. So I'm going to say thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.